This picture I shot on a mobile. I will try to do some correction and make this picture a bit better looking using Lightroom mobile. So after importing this in Lightroom, first thing I will do some standard tuning in light menu. Decrease the brightness a little bit for dark look and reduce the contrast for a little bit faded look. Decrease the highlights and shadows for making this picture a little bit moody. Decrease the white and blacks for some pop. Now in the color menu, I will add little bit temperature and vibrance and decrease some saturation. Now I am going to effect menu for some texture and clarity by increasing the slider and then add some dehaze and decrease the vignette slider. Now I am going to the detail menu for some noise reduction and color noise reduction. Now going to the color menu mix. Here with the slider I will tune the colors. Tuning the green towards the yellow with bit of saturation and luminance. And then tuning the yellow color by increase some luminance. Now I am going to the profile menu for adding some filter. Going to the selective menu, I will choose brush tool and paint that part where I want some dark background. So here is the final look. Thanks for watching.